Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be doing Krissy Cela's or Krissy Cela's perfect leg day workout. And I forgot to do the intro, so this is after the workout, and let me tell you guys, that was killer. It really is the perfect leg workout because I was done after just the dynamic warm-up, but it was really nice. I think I'll incorporate it going forward on my leg days. So if you're interested in seeing how I did it, stay tuned. And also, fair warning, this is my second day back in the gym after a year and a half because of the pandemic, so my form might not be as good as hers or up to par for you, but this is just me, beginner friendly. And yeah, I just felt like doing it. So I decided to come on here, guys, just to talk you through everything so you guys are not lost. But first, I'm starting out with dynamic leg swings. I always do this, even though she didn't do it in her video. I still decided to do it because this was my actual leg day, and it's my second day back in the gym officially. So then I went in with some bodyweight squats, and let me tell you, the bodyweight squats shocked my body. I was shaking after the first set, but I got over it and moved on. Next, moving into the lateral squats, and she said that you can do this like in pieces, like halves, instead of doing that gliding motion. But I started off gliding first just to see if it would work, and it did, surprisingly, because like I said, my legs were jello. Then I went in with the deep forward lunges, and honestly, this was a really good stretch on my hamstrings because I felt it mostly in my hamstrings, not even in like my glutes or quads or anything. Everything I felt in my hamstrings, everything. Then I'm gonna move on to the knee hugs. She also mentioned in her video that you could just do walking motions with this. I just decided to stay in one place because I didn't want to face the window or have my back facing the window, and I needed to see my form / mobility, so I had to face the mirror. You will also see me alternating between holding my knee and also holding my hip. I just wanted to do both. It doesn't really matter, you can do either. Next, the hip rotations, felt everything in my abductors, which I think is the actual aim. You'll probably see me shaking off and like laughing at myself because of how much pain I was feeling from this workout. And of course, I had to do a little dance session in between to get my mind off the burn that I felt from that warm-up. So in her video, she did barbell squats on the machine, but in my gym the machine was very much occupied, so I had to borrow the barbell and bring it in this room. So I had to improvise and do landmine squats instead. And of course I have to do the stiff leg deadlift without any weights, and I think this was fine because as you can see I'm shaking because my legs were already in pain from another leg day that I did 2 days prior. But I don't think my form is good doing this. Looking at the video now, I think I could have held the barbell a little bit closer to my knees slash leg, but that's the point of videoing your workout, so you can watch and see how good your form is and where you need to improve. But I must say I did feel some sort of burn in my hamstrings and my glutes. So more improvising, I had to use the cycle bar, of course, as my quote-unquote bench because, like I said before, the gym was pretty much occupied, so I had to make do. Didn't want to make any excuses for not doing anything, but like before, I think my form could have been better on this one. My legs were very much jelly at this point, but I still pushed through and got it done. I think I could have let go of the bars, but I needed support. Guys. I am not there as yet with the stability and the balance, so just bear with me. And there's nothing wrong if you use anything to balance yourself. Like she said in her video, there's no shame in it. We are not the same, we are not one. So anyways, moving on to the cable stiff leg deadlift. And of course this, like when I was consistent in the gym, like before the whole pandemic, I used to love the cable machine. Almost every exercise I could do on the cable machine, I would do it, including this. Trust me, I love the cable machine. So when she did this, I was like, yes, brings me back to the good old days. Up next is the Goblet Squat, and I did 15 pounds, and at this point it was like nothing because my body was that much pumped. But I just decided to keep it going. If in case I needed to do more, I could, and I did 12 reps for each set, and I probably could have gone more, but I didn't want to push myself, which was why I was walking around, because I was very much on fire. My legs were very much on fire, but I did manage to pull through both sets. Last but not least, the abductors. Wow, this was very much a burn. The last set was killer. I did the last set in halves because my abductors were gone at this point. And for them to be the last exercise, my body was just not having it. And I took a lot of breaks because I just think I needed to, but at that point I was over it, which is why I was signaling to the camera. But finishing up, I just did my regular stretches, and yeah, I call it a day. So guys, I really enjoyed making this video for you, even though it's not my usual content, but I thought it would be a nice and fun video for you guys. So if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to turn on your post notification. Comment down below anything that stood out to you in this video, anything else that you'd like to see. If you want me to do any more workout videos, let me know as well. I can always do it because I'd be working out, so it's a win-win. Don't forget to check out the description box. All the links to my necessary socials will be down there, or anything that you may need, it will always be down in the description below. If you have any questions, I'll also be happy to answer them in the comments. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and if you are already subscribed, thank you, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.